Jesus, boys. April 12th, 2018. Can you believe this? This is like the biggest storm of the winter. Ice pellets, freezing rain. We're gonna go out on the road in a sec, but this is not a good start to spring of 2018. In fact, it just plain old sucks. Hold on! Right there. So, what are we gonna do? We got two things. Wow, we got the Outlander. There's always something to do on that. And we got the old Honda. Look at that. I started this 2 weeks ago. And the last time it was out was during my Christmas donuts video. Of course, donuts. Of course. Woo-hoo. Yeah. I bet you I pulled this 5 times because the battery's dead. 5 times and the damn thing started in idle and I was driving it around the yard. We're gonna put a tube in this tire. I'm going to, man, that is a deep rim. I don't know. Actually, it steps in right here, so we should be okay. We've only got the thickness from here to here. Actually, it steps quite a bit, so throw it in the driveway and run it over with my Ranger. If you guys haven't seen my new mount, you should be able to see it here. This thing is crazy. It's like, you can, I don't know if you can see it there, probably not, but I glued a huge magnet from the base of my, it's like a magnetic tray that I use at work, and this one just kind of fell off and it was happened to just be sitting there. Why don't I use that? So I glued her up, epoxied it, and the thing works like a charm. Let's get this tire off. Because I'm psyched to take this thing out on the road and do donuts. We need the jack. Do we have something to jack it up with? Yes, we do. We actually have something to jack it up with. Factory metal skid plate. Not even shitting you. On a 1984. What is up with that? It's crazy shit. Alright. Whoa, we got a socket. Where'd I put it? Where'd I put the socket? Oh, there it is. Right where I need her. I'm gonna put this down. Let's see how tight this bitch is on. Oh, it's not even tight. Get this sucker off here. Oh. I think I just need to take these 4 bolts out here. Yeah. What's behind? This stud? I betcha. Let's try that instead. Oh, I'm not gonna have that. I guess we gotta do the manual route. Yes, sir. Actually, I'm hoping that this is gonna fit in there. And it's not. Shit! What do we got? What do we got? Talk to me. Oh, you know what? That's gonna do the job right there. Let's see. Oh, boys, looks like that they're studs. Oh, you Honda guys are laughing at me, going, well, of course they're studs, you friggin' Deuteramus. Well, is that the... No, why isn't that one going on there? Whoa, somebody had different bolt on there. Oh, I need 13. Shit, eh? Let's see if the 14's gonna work. Yep. Oh. What we got back here? Spacers. We got some shit going on in the front. Just the one? Yeah, just the one. That's the back. Yeah, we gotta... Alright, let's work on this tire and get that son of a bitch off the rim. Let's get that... Man, these rims. Deep, eh? There we go. Right on. Go to the truck and see what we can't sort out here. We're moving. The things you do on a dirty day, boys. Things you, holy shit. This snow wasn't here last time we were out here, was it? Broke necks, if you're watching this, this is not this is your spring, buddy. Like this is springtime to you. I would surprise you're out in shorts and t-shirt in this weather. It's not fun out here today. And I never tried this, so I don't know, a trick I saw somewhere on the internet. It was more for car rims that that aren't as high, but it's flat. That's a start. I'm actually gonna back my truck up. Fuck, I thought the door was locked, so she's froze. Whoa. Sorry, windshield wipers. That's never good for them. She's in for low. We're gonna do this, boys. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. I pretty much guarantee it's gonna snap. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Didn't even move that bitch. Wow. That tire's on. I don't know if that tire's ever been off. I don't know. No, she ain't moving. I have a feeling I will be taking this into work. Oh well. What are you gonna do when you live in a shoe? Move to a boot and get laced. Okay, boys, we got another trick here. Good idea. Friggin' good idea. Don't use these too often, eh? Oh. Oh yeah, that's about all the WD-40 I'm gonna get. Well, that's as high as she goes. Go one above that. Maybe nothing. Maybe something. Oh, I got a hatchet out there. Yeah, a little hatchet right here. Look at that. It's like I would put it there. Just needed to start. That is all. Boys, that friggin' thing's in there. I think it's time to go old school. Screwdriver. Need that tool. Break that bead right there without wrecking the tire. Oh, you're going through the tire? Good thing is they're putting a tube in it, so it doesn't matter too much about the bead right there. We're not off to the races with this thing, but it opened it up where I can do this. there, boys. Right there. All right, we're beat. Yeah, we're beat. It's all right. Well, first time. Oops. I gotta stop doing that. Shit, eh? Oop. That was a waste of time. Every time I bring something in, you guys always do it right away. Leave it to the pros. All right, man. Thank you very much. No problem. Appreciate it. Yep. And just like that, boys, that's why you have the experts do it when all else fails. I love it. Hey, can't say I didn't try.